So today, I'm going to go in my DeLorean and go back in time and pick up a sneaker that I really like. What is up, guys? Hope you're having an amazing Sunday. Hope you're having an amazing day. Because today, like I said, we're going back in the DeLorean to go back in time to go and get a sneaker that I really like. So what's in this box? You're about to find out, guys. So what is up, guys? Hope you're having an amazing Sunday. Hope you're having an amazing day, because today, like I said in the intro, we are going back in time to pick up sneakers that we like. And this is an inspired message from the bro Cam, from the bro Candolph, from the bro Gandalf. This is Love for Kicks. Go and follow him. He is the inspiration to this purchase, because we always go back and pick up the sneakers that we like. Oh, he does for sure, because today we are going to reveal what's in this box. But before I do, please, like I always say, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation, let's break it down, and let's get these sneakers for retail, and let's go back in time and get some of those grails that we always like, because this is a grail and I'm going to reveal it for you guys. But before, I'm going to go and talk you through the tour of this sneaker. So I'm going to give you the box number, I'm going to give you the description, and I'm going to let you guys guess, and I'm going to reveal it. So on the front of this box is this tag. Does anybody recognize that? Do you actually recognize the box? It's got that Jumpman at the front. It's got that infrared red Jumpman at the front. It's got the traditional Nike. As I said, this box actually came out, this sneaker actually came out in 2016. So March 2016 is the date you should be looking for this. It says on the front of this, it's an Air Jordan 4 Retro. Basically, code is 308497 It's midnight navy, metallic gold and white. And that's all I'm going to tell you guys for the time being. If you know what it is, leave the description or the actual sneaker in the comments, and we will find out, or I'm going to show you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go, guys. So in this box, I'm going to open the lid and reveal this black paper. And underneath this black paper is bang, bang. There you go, guys. Going back in time and picking up a grail like this, the Dunk from Above Jordan 4. Wow. This is amazing. The sneaker is beautiful and it is absolutely gorgeous, and this came from the bro who gave it to me for friends and family rates. I'm telling you, friends and family rates, because thanks you, Crepsaholic. Go and follow the bro Crepsaholic, because he was having a sale. I saw this on the bro's feet before he actually sold them, and damn, these are fire. These are absolutely amazing. So let me put the box down and I'll be right back. So it's sneaker time. So hey presto, bang, there you go, guys. This is the Jordan 4 Dunk from Above, and as they say, if you need to dunk from above, or if you want to dunk from above, you need to take flight, and this is what it's all about. But guys, this is part of a pack. This always was part of a pack in terms of the Jordan 5 low and the Jordan 1, and this is the Jordan 4. This is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, guys, it comes in that midnight navy with the gold hints, or that yellow. It's more like a yellowy hint to that, and the lining. Look at that gorgeous sneaker. The Jumpman at the back, and it's got that Dunk from Above tag with that metallic gold Jumpman inside. Absolutely gorgeous. This is a grail I've been looking forward to since 2018. I actually produced a list in 2018 to go through all the sneakers, all the grails I really wanted, and this was in that list. I've been hunting this since 2018, and finally I have it in hand. Because guys, when you want a sneaker, you have to go back in time to get a sneaker, because sneakers like this will not retro again. Sneakers like this with that premium leather. Look at that premium leather. Look at this, guys. This is, why don't they make 4s like this anymore? Like, damn, this is beautiful. That white knitting, that navy blue, that gold hints on the basketball eyelets, and that inner lining and beautiful gum sole. Look at that. Everybody loves a gum sole. I love a gum sole. That gum sole is absolutely gorgeous. This is a gorgeous sneaker. I actually got this for £200 and it actually resells for like $350, so I'm happy. Even if it's a VNDS, even if it's not dead stock, it means I have a Grail in my hands, and I've been chasing this. Like I said, guys, I've been chasing this for so long. This Dunk from Above, when I first saw it on feet, it was like magnificent, gorgeous sneaker. That navy blue with that lining, that absolutely beautiful lining is absolutely gorgeous. The wax laces on this is just conventional laces, but I don't mind. I might swap out the laces, I might put something different there, I might actually style this up. But look at it. I'm gonna give you that front perspective, guys, that back perspective, that lateral side. Look how gorgeous that looks. Absolutely gorgeous. That's medial side and that gum sole, and then we make it dance, and we make it rock and roll. Look at that absolutely gorgeous sneaker. Gorgeous sneaker there. Look, you gotta make it rock and roll, you gotta make it dance, you gotta make it dance all the way through. Like, I can't believe I've got these in hand. The materials on this is soft. And I said, they don't make Jordan 4s like this anymore. These Jordan 4s are so phenomenal. Both pairs, look at that. It just needs a clean up, to be honest. Like, there's some like smudges on the midsole, like there, you can tell. But cleaning that up, it will be a cinch, because all you need to do is use water and a rag, and it's all nice and clean. But bang, guys. And this is what it's all about, picking sneakers that you like. And you have to sometimes go back in history to pick up sneakers that you like, sneakers that aren't gonna retro again, sneakers that you will not see ever again coming up, possibly. I'm gonna put caveat on that, because sometimes Jordan Brand goes back in time and retro sneakers like this. But this Jordan 4, I know there's hype around the 4. Who wants those crimsons? Because I'd rather pick these Dunk from Aboves. So let's see some B-roll. So I can't believe I actually got these Dunk from Above in hand. I know these are VNDS. Don't be scared to get VNDS, because you can pick up some really good deals. And if you saw the podcast with me and Q and Cam, you realize some of the sneakers that Cam has got, even though they're VNDS, even though he had to actually go back and fix them up, even though he had to customize some and bring them up to scratch, sometimes it's worth it, because you can pick up a deal and you can pick up a steal. And this is what it's all about. This is a gorgeous sneaker. This is amazing, and this is one of the 4s that I always wanted in 2018, and finally, let's just say, finally in hand 4 years later. But as you can see, you have to get a VNDS that somebody's actually put foot to ground on, because it means the compression in that foam is good enough for you to constantly wear going forwards. Because I want to pick this up as a DS sneaker, because only worry is that after 6 to 7 years, when you put that DS sneaker on, because it hasn't got that compression in that foam, because it hasn't been walked in, because it's still DS, it will blow out on you. So I'm more hesitant to pick up sneakers that are DS than VNDS, because I'd rather pick this up as VNDS and keep rocking this and keep rolling this, because this is so gorgeous, this is so beautiful, and this is so amazing. And look at that. I'm gonna give you that glimpse. Look, absolutely beautiful. If this was a human being, it would be the best human being alive. Damn, these are fire, these are amazing, these are gummy. I love that sole. Gum sole is so amazing. Gum sole is so amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. But like I said, go back to get the sneakers you like. Go in that DeLorean, go back in time and pick up the sneakers that you like, because there's some steals, there's some deals, and there's loads of sneakers that you can pick up for very good prices if you look for it, if you hunt for it, because the hunt is on for sneakers. And it's important that you keep looking, you keep searching, and you keep picking up the sneakers, because DS you're looking at $350. DS for these, you're looking at $350 to $380, and I actually paid £200, and that's all in pounds at the moment, but that is a deal. Absolutely gorgeous. Look, there's only one crease on this sneaker. Look at that. There's only, even on this side, there's nothing. There's only one crease on this sneaker. If you know somebody that's getting rid of sneakers, because people recycle and rotate sneakers quite a lot, so if you want something, keep looking out, keep connected, and keep actually asking if somebody wants a pair or somebody's actually selling a pair, because you might get a deal and you might get a steal. But eBay is also your friend sometimes, but make sure you have that verification tick on the account, so you're not getting actually conned, or you're actually getting sneakers that you can actually pick up and it's verified by eBay. And even then, make sure you get your black light out, make sure you check it, make sure you verify it, make sure it's all legit, because you want to make sure you're not picking up a UA, because that's always risky, picking up a sneaker that's actually been worn or actually DS that's about 5 or 6 years old, because you know UAs are getting better and better, you know unauthorized sneakers are getting better and better. So be careful out there, guys. Don't get actually conned or get that left hook from those actual UAs. But I hope you enjoyed the review. I hope you enjoyed watching me pick up these, because these are gorgeous. I can't stop showing these. These are so beautiful. But like I said, go back in time, go and pick up the sneakers you like, and have an enjoyable week, and begin 2022 with picking up some of those grails you always wanted, because some of the sneaker releases this year aren't it. So I hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year, and I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you all deserve to get the sneakers you want. So from me, TJ at LoveKicksCustoms, peace out, guys.